High school sports are heading indoors, and with the move comes increased chances of COVID-19 transmission. Connor Reel found out how one city aims to tackle these risks.
Today marks the first day that student athletes can begin submitting their status for Virginia Beach City Public Schools winter sports COVID-19 policy. It includes 3 options. Vaccinated students should show proof of vaccination. Anyone who is unvaccinated but has had COVID in the last 90 days must submit documentation from their medical provider noting the date they were cleared to return to school. All other unvaccinated participants must enter a weekly testing program at their home school. Mako Medical Laboratories will conduct the weekly testing program for unvaccinated student athletes. They're the vendor assigned to VBCPS by the Virginia Department of Health. Tests will consist of a shallow nasal swab administered to students during lunch, before practice, or at the end of practice. Virginia Beach City Public Schools Chief of Staff Dr. Don Robertson says some families feel the program is an overreach, but he says the plan is in place to keep students safe on the court and in the classroom.
We're using data, and again, even in outdoor sports, we had well over 1,000 days of missed instruction because kids were quarantined as a result of being in close contact with a positive case. Now we're moving indoors. It's not an intrusive mitigation is going to help us reduce those numbers and keep our kids safe.
Coming up at 5:30, we talk to a local high school basketball coach about the program. In Virginia Beach, I'm Connor Reel, 13 News Now.
The program is for students only. It begins November 15th.